everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you a not too shabby shop double online crafty haul. I'm going to open my mystery grab bags that I just purchased, and I also have a random giveaway at the very end. So welcome back everyone. I had a double haul from Not Too Shabby. Here's their logo. I'll list their website link and a discount code down in the description box below for you. Here's a bit more information. So I have a double haul. So I purchased two separate hauls. One of them had these mystery grab bags. I think it was for Mother's Day. They were $25. I'm going to show you what I purchased and open up those two mystery bags as well. So we do get some freebies. Usually with every order, Jamie includes freebies. I've got some enamel dots, a lollipop. And then she also threw in the enamel dots from Not Too Shabby. When you spend over $60, I had two orders. She sent me a little sample of the fall mugs ephemera. These are the pieces she sent me, but the full pack of ephemera comes with a ton of these and in different sizes. And then I did purchase two additional packs of ephemera. One's called Patriotic Waves, and this one kind of coordinates with their paper pad club of the month. Here is the ephemera pack. Here's a still shot of what comes in that ephemera pack. And then I had to purchase another Sweet Bees. This is just my all-time favorite, I think. So here's everything that comes in that little pack. It is so cute. So cute. And it is currently available right now. So I also picked up the die set that goes with the Summer Fun stamp set. So I already had the stamp set, Summer Fun. I went ahead and picked up the coordinating dies. I mentioned that in my last video. I wanted to buy them. And then I also picked up the coordinating dies for the Hey Lady stamp set. This is also by Not Too Shabby. I'm obsessed with that stamp set, so I wanted to get the coordinating dies. I picked up the Lawn Fawn platform pop-up cloud wraparound die. So I have that little pop-up platform by Lawn Fawn, and I haven't used it yet, but I went ahead and picked up that additional accessory. I also picked up a 4 1/4 inch square acrylic block from Catherine Pooler. Look how much larger it is compared to the one that I usually use. That one was just a little cheap one from Dollar Tree, but it's so much larger. So then I also picked up some paper pads. This first one's called Autumn Plaids. It's a 6x6 paper pad. Unfortunately, it is currently not available, but the thing with Jamie's shop is that a lot of times she will bring back the paper pads, she'll restock them. So if this is one that you like, you definitely want to stay on the lookout for that. It does coordinate perfectly with that fall mugs. And then I also bought, this is a rebuy, I bought the Fall Sunshine. This is one of my favorites too. This is a 6x6 paper pad. So cute. 24 sheets, double-sided. It's sunflowers, it's black, pumpkins, white, yellow. Look at this. This is just stunning. That's my favorite sheet of the whole pack. So Fall Sunshine. And then Lemons and Lavender. And this is a 6x6. I think this was a paper pad club and it ran out. So I never got to get this one. And at the time I wasn't subscribed. So this one is just gorgeous. And I don't know if it's available right now, but I know that it came back into stock. So I think this is one Jamie is also kind of reordering. So then I also picked up some DOODLEBUG. No, right now Jamie has where if you spend over $40 on DOODLEBUG, you do get a free Rub-a-Dub DOODLE-POP. I got that one. And then I also picked up some additional ones. This one's called Hello Friend. It's from their new Pretty Kitty line. That looks just like our little kitty, so I went ahead and picked it up. So then I also picked up the Hello Sunshine DOODLE-POP. I really like this one. And then also the Playtime one. And I thought that was just so fun with the little ball of yarn. These are very dimensional doodle pops. And then I got some shape sprinkles. So this one's Puppy Love. And it's so pretty. It's like little hearts. And again, that is Puppy Love. And then this one's Top Dog. You get a ton of little stars in this one. And those go with their new lines, which are these two lines. So we have the Doggone Cute. This is the Odds and Ends. So this is DOODLEBUG. You get 148 pieces. The beauty of these is that these are pretty good size and you get so much bang for your buck for those packs of ephemera. Then I got the mini icon stickers also with the collection. I was too late and I did not get to get the paper pad from the shop. It already sold out, but I did pick up the one for the Pretty Kitty. And so I got the coordinating the Chit Chat because I had already purchased some of the items from a cherry on top. It was the larger pieces. This one is the Chit Chat. So it's all the words and phrases with a couple of little pieces of ephemera. And then you have the paper pad. This is a 6x6 paper pad. Really cute, really small scale on a lot of these little images. And I will have a video tomorrow where I am using this collection, this Pretty Kitty collection for the DOODLEBUG collab. DOODLEBUG May. So look at how cute those little bitty squares are. I'm definitely going to be using those. And again, you'll want to check out my video tomorrow if you want to see me use this specific paper pad. So super cute, pretty kitty. And then I do have my 2 mystery bags, so I'm going to go ahead and open them now. So I had bought 2 of them. I think they were $25 a piece, and they were mystery, and I think they were from Mother's Day. I can't remember, but I believe it was Mother's Day. And so this one was some adhesive ribbon, and it says happy birthday with a little star. So that's super cute. And then she also sent in this one pack, there's some stamps and some stencils. So I ended up getting 6 items in this one. This one's Caffeinated Rhino, the rabbit hole designs. Look how fun that is. Chubby unicorn, so cute. So I got that stamp set. And then this one's Under the Sea background by Evelyn T Designs. I like those little phrases. We rise by lifting others. I think that's just perfect. So we've got that one. And then I have one from PICKET Studios. This one's called Crafty Mail. This is right up my alley. So fun. Look, love, peace, craft, and then hashtag stay crafty. I love this. This is just perfect. Can't wait to use that one. And then I got 2 stencils. So the first one is the English brick wall stencil, 6x6 stencil. So that one's cute. And then I also got one that's called Flourish Circle Stencil. And make sure you stick around to the end because I have a giveaway. So you'll want to stick around to check out that giveaway information, how you can enter. The second mystery bag that I purchased, here's what came in it. So I ended up getting several stamp sets. Ooh, I got a pack of ephemera. So I ended up with 4 stamp sets and a large pack of ephemera. Super excited there. And then this one is called Winged Heart by CC Designs. This one is a red rubber stamp, so it's a little bit different than the clear ones that I normally buy. And then this one also is CC Designs, and it's Lumberjack Sentiments. And this looks like you can kind of cut it apart. A ton of really fun sentiments that sometimes you don't even have to use these for, like lumberjack. You could use them for just about anything. Then this is called the Pink Holiday Mugs. This is an ephemera pack from the Not Too Shabby shop. Here's a still shot of everything that comes in that one pack. You get a ton. And I did not have this, so I'm super excited that I got that one in my mystery bag. This one's called Nature Skeleton. So this seemed pretty neat because you could probably do some backgrounds for like dinosaurs or any kind of reptile or any animal zoo kind of theme things. So, and then this one's called Sweet Nothings. This is the MFT, and it's just a lot of like I love you sayings. So that's cute. I like that there's a differing font combination on those. You got a print and then like a cursive kind of situation. So those are the items I got in my second mystery box and my first one. So those were my mystery grab bags. And if there's any of these items that you like, make sure you check out my website link, and I have a discount code down below so you can save some additional money as well. So let's talk about the random giveaway. I'm going to be giving away these items plus probably a few extra little additional freebie things that I'll throw in. This is that CC Designs Lumberjack Sentiments stamp set. You can cut these up or you can keep them whole. Either way, there's a ton of really cute sentiments there. Then this one was the Nature Skeleton. I think that'd be great for like layering up some backgrounds with like reptiles or dinosaurs, the zoo. This one is one of the stencils. It's that little swirly line stencil. So that would make cute cards to have a focal point right in the middle. And then this is the Happy Birthday adhesive ribbon. This is great to add into your projects. I'm going to throw in this little DOODLE-POP. This one was the little rub-a-dub DOODLE-POP that I had gotten. And then I am also going to throw in just a sample of some of the papers and some of those ephemera pieces from the Sweet Bees collection. This is a Not Too Shabby exclusive, but it's my favorite, so I wanted to throw that in. So for the giveaway, you must be at least 18 years or older. It's not sponsored by YouTube. It is sponsored by me. You have to be in the Continental US only. You must be subscribed to my channel. And what I want you to do is list your favorite item down in the comment down below that I purchased from this haul. My giveaway will end on the 30th. I'll announce the winner in my Crafty Goals video on the 31st. Thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple videos I think you might enjoy. And as always, happy crafting.